you got Dave Billie Jean Green in the house. He's putting 4 roof vents, greenhouse, 12 by 10, maybe 10-inch, 3 height. And Dave's been here, it looks like maybe 2 hours. It looks like he's putting it right. The screw, it needs to be loose, and 2 hours. And if you can see right there on the end, make sure that you do not screw the screws tightly, because you're gonna have problems. Dave has done this a lot. It's maybe 3 hours where he'll get it done in 2 hours. So anyway, it is the greenhouse, One Stop Gardens, durable all weather, and beautiful day, Harbor Freight in Las Vegas. So if you have any questions, leave a note if you have any problems, and he'll probably answer you. So anyway, Big D Greenhouse heater pump.